Restore Skills is a computer program that uses technology to promote residents' functional mobility.
The patients love Restore. People actually look forward to coming to therapy now.
Restore helps the residents think in a fun and new way that they don't even realize they're participating in therapy.
It really surprised me at how interactive and how fun and how therapy-driven it really was.
We've been able to use Restore to bring residents out of their room that usually don't want to participate in therapy. Once they start using it, they want to continue to come out of their rooms and play.
I love Restore because it reminds me of playing the games in Las Vegas.
It keeps me happy and healthy.
I like to play Restore because it motivates me.
I would recommend Restore, and I would say that it is a new tool, an updated tool that can really lift patients' spirits.
Majestic Care and Reliant always offer an individualized plan of care, and Restore is the perfect solution to that.